By the end of this video, you'll gain insights into how embracing minimalism can lead to a more fulfilling and authentic way of living. Welcome to our journey towards living a life of greater clarity, purpose, and intention through the principles of modern minimalism. 1. The essence of modern minimalism. In a world inundated with distractions and excess, modern minimalism stands as a beacon of simplicity and intentionality. It's not merely about decluttering our physical spaces, but about decluttering our minds and hearts. As the renowned minimalist designer Coco Chanel once said, "Simplicity is the keynote of all true elegance. By simplifying our lives, we create a space for what truly matters, allowing clarity to emerge." Minimalism invites us to reassess our relationship with material possessions and let go of the unnecessary. As the influential author and poet Sylvia Plath once wrote, "The silence depressed me. It wasn't the silence of silence. It was my own silence." Through decluttering, we silence the noise of consumerism and find clarity amidst the chaos. By curating our surroundings, we create environments that foster peace and tranquility, allowing our minds to thrive. By cultivating mindfulness and awareness, we become more attuned to the present moment. We learn to appreciate the beauty in simplicity and find joy in the little things. As the beloved children's book author Dr. Seuss once said, "Sometimes the questions are complicated and the answers are simple." Minimalism reminds us to embrace simplicity in our lives, leading to greater contentment and fulfillment. Furthermore, minimalism encourages us to examine our consumption habits and the impact they have on our lives and the planet. By consuming less, we reduce our carbon footprint and contribute to a more sustainable future. As the environmental activist Greta Thunberg once said, "You are never too small to make a difference." Each choice we make has the potential to create positive change in the world, and minimalism empowers us to make more conscious choices. Chapter 2. Cultivating clarity through decluttering. Minimalism extends beyond our physical spaces to encompass our mental and emotional well-being. By letting go of excess baggage and unnecessary distractions, we create room for clarity to flourish. As the influential Japanese organizing consultant Marie Kondo famously said, "The space in which we live should be for the person we are becoming now, not for the person we were in the past." By decluttering our homes, we create space for growth and transformation. Decluttering is not merely about getting rid of stuff, it's about making conscious choices and prioritizing what truly matters. As the pioneering environmentalist Jane Goodall once said, "You cannot get through a single day without having an impact on the world around you. What you do makes a difference, and you have to decide what kind of difference you want to make." By simplifying our lives, we reduce our environmental footprint and contribute to a more sustainable future. Moreover, decluttering our physical spaces can have a profound impact on our mental and emotional well-being. Studies have shown that a clutter-free environment can reduce stress and anxiety, improve concentration and creativity, and enhance overall well-being. By creating a space that is clean, organized, and clutter-free, we create a sanctuary where we can relax, recharge, and reconnect with ourselves. Chapter 3. Embracing Purpose and Intentionality. Minimalism is not just about what we remove from our lives, but also about what we choose to keep. It's about living with purpose and intentionality, aligning our actions with our values and priorities. As the pioneering feminist Gloria Steinem once said, "Dreaming, after all, is a form of planning." By embracing minimalism, we embark on a journey of intentional living, where every decision reflects our deepest aspirations and desires. Living with intentionality means being mindful of our choices and actions. It means saying no to things that don't align with our values and priorities, and saying yes to the things that bring us joy and fulfillment. As the legendary dancer and choreographer Martha Graham once said, "The body says what words cannot." Through minimalism, we learn to listen to our inner voice and live in alignment with our true selves. Furthermore, minimalism encourages us to redefine success and happiness on our own terms. In a society that often equates success with wealth, status, and possessions, minimalism offers an alternative perspective. It reminds us that true happiness comes from within and cannot be found in material possessions or external achievements. As the spiritual teacher Eckhart Tolle once said, "The primary cause of unhappiness is never the situation, but your thoughts about it." By embracing minimalism, we free ourselves from the pursuit of external validation and find fulfillment in the present moment.
For finding freedom in simplicity. At its core, minimalism is about freedom, the freedom to live life on our own terms, free from the constraints of societal expectations and cultural norms. As the iconic artist Frida Kahlo once proclaimed, "I am my own muse. I am the subject I know best." Through minimalism, we reclaim ownership of our lives, choosing authenticity over conformity and liberation over limitation. By embracing simplicity, we discover the boundless freedom that comes from living in alignment with our true selves. As we come to the end of this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Thank you. Conclusion. Let us reflect on the profound wisdom of modern minimalism. Through decluttering, we find clarity. Through intentionality, we find purpose. And through simplicity, we find freedom. Let us carry these lessons with us as we navigate our lives, embracing minimalism as a guiding philosophy for living with